Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the MCHAT assessment. So what is the MCHAT assessment? The Modified Checklist for Autism in Toddlers, or the MCHAT, is an autism spectrum disorder screening tool. It is meant to be used to assess toddlers who are between 16 to 30 months of age to check if they have signs of ASD, and it can be used towards developing effective treatment. The checklist comes in the form of a questionnaire, and it has 23 yes or no items revolving around a toddler's behaviour and development, such as walking, climbing, and social interactions. It is meant to be answered by a toddler's parent or guardian. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this, including others, which is encompassing teachers, social workers, as well as psychologists. Here's how to use the MCHAT test effectively. The first step is to fill in the essential information at the top. You'll then need to complete the checklist included. The final step is to calculate the total score and add additional notes for potential treatment guidance. To view a sample assessment of the MCHAT, feel free to visit carepatron.com, where you can access and download the autism checklist for free. You can also access the checklist via our platform, filter by community and by assessment. You can also type in the keywords. You can also access the checklist via our platform, filter by community and by assessment. You can also type in the keywords. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron if you want to view more healthcare videos in the future.